Yeah, Flacaria licata on February 4th. I'm Chris Madley with the Morel Mushroom Hunting Club. So what's the mild winter gonna do for the 2020 morel season? Today's February 4th. Cherry trees blooming in Atlanta. Mild winters, not a problem. You wait a little bit and usually it gets cold. Even though the flowers coming out, there's always a late one coming. I have found them as early as late February here in Georgia. That particular year, it then turned cold, and then the early bird morels just sat and waited for a warm spell. Daffodils and dandelions has been blooming in Atlanta the last 2 weeks. Generally, a season may take a week, maybe a week or so early or late, and since morels grow slowly, up to 3 weeks. From babies to fully mature, you can usually hit a specific date and still do pretty well. The mild winter won't really affect much unless the ground temps reach into the 50s, which usually takes about 2 weeks of 70-degree temperatures. My overall best signs for morels first growing is red buds. When they start blooming, that's generally when I'll find gray morels, and then they'll grow slowly and turn tan, and then keep growing, get bigger, and then turn into yellows when they're fully mature in about 3 weeks.
First.
All right, I want everybody to say party favors.
Party favors.
This doesn't happen every time, and this exceeds any foray I've ever had as far as amount of morels. So, what an incredible amount.
I needed to hear that.